Porsche 718 Boxster. Continuing to define sports car excellence, the Boxster is once again a 10 BEST winner. With turbo 4 cylinders, the base is a 300 HP 2.0 liter, the S gets a 350 HP 2.5 liter, that are substantially more powerful and torque-rich, making the Boxster faster. We can't help but miss the guttural yowl from Porsche's iconic flat 6. Despite these changes, the mid-engine roadster certainly hasn't lost its dynamic perfection, which is nearly without equal. A touchscreen infotainment system is optional. EPA, 2229 mpg. HP, 300 HP. Top speed, 170 miles per hour. Prince, $54K, $69K. And here.